This Black Friday, we need to talk about our new redesigned, rechargeable dust collector. Ha-ha! Am I fired up about this? All right, let's take this bad boy out. Look at that. Dude, the grill even says youngnails on the surface. I love it. All right. So one of the features I wanted to be able to show you guys. All right, boom. What we're gonna be able to do, it's gonna show you whether the battery is full, but again, no cord, right? So you're gonna be able to take it anywhere without worrying about being tied to a cord anymore. All you're gonna need that cord for is recharging this bad boy. What we've done, I'm gonna show you guys, right? The suction is so powerful. Oh, look at that. I mean, that is just huffing all that dust. Putting a ton of pressure on this, working through. I love it, all right? It's gonna be able to keep this space clean. All right, now, here's the cool thing. All I have to do is push the button and I can pause it, right? That's a new feature, what we've added to the dust collector, all right? Really easy to pop the grill out, all right? And you're going to notice, right, that this is going to be really easy to shake off. And what we've done is we've also incorporated a screen on top of the fan to prevent any type of larger pieces from getting stuck inside this. All right, we want to be able to show you guys the safety feature also. If you remove the grill, right, during the on process, it will beep as a warning to let you know that this is off. All you have to do is turn that off. And then again, once you actually have this on, it goes away. Because it's rechargeable, it gives you the freedom to work from anywhere. This is going to be perfect for all you salon pros or all those individuals, again, who are working from home. $175 value. This Black Friday, this rechargeable unit is gonna be $100. Telling you, you're only gonna be able to get this deal on Black Friday. $175 value for $100. Compact, powerful suction, rechargeable. I mean, think about it. You're gonna be able to take it anywhere you want. $175 for $100? Dude, take advantage. The deal won't last long.